one do you like better? Our place or this place?
I mean, this one's close to stuff.
Yeah.
It's a nice one. That one's close to stuff.
And that one is probably 5 million. Wow. That's too big for us. Even just this one, look.
So those are nice too. Those are
Yeah.
It's Evendale. It's Evendale.
Tadadadadang! Pagdating sa bahay, yan na si Karpentera. At ang payod, at timana ang payod. Pinalabas ko na ang mga indoor plants guys kasi baka mamatay pa sa loob. Joke. Hindi kasi mainit na dito sa aming banda. Kaya okay na silang ilabas. Tapos pagdating ng October balik na naman sila sa loob kasi mamamatayan pag winter. Thank you.
You can prepare pizza, please. That needs to be prepared soon, I think.
Alright, magdilig muna tayo ng mga halaman. Is our water switch on downstairs, Lord? Look! Oh my gosh, Corey! There's a snake! Corey! There's a snake! Can you get it? Here. A small snake. Huh? No, kill it!
I'm not gonna kill the snake.
Kill it, please! I'm afraid! Kill it, kill it, kill it! Kill it!
Can't kill it.
Kill it! It will get in our house! Oh my gosh, just kill it, please!
Marilyn, get out. Get inside. I don't want to kill it. Animal.
Kill it!
Marilyn, go inside. My God.
It will become big and then it will
It's
get...
not going to go inside.
Where is it going then?
Go inside. Get inside.
Kill it, please kill it! Where are you going to let it loose? In the... Where are you going to let it loose?
Over on that side up there.
Or it will multiply?
I don't want to kill them. Kill the animals.
It's not an animal, it's
Yes, it is a
devil!
It's not the
Please
devil.
kill it, Corey, please
It's
Corey,
not the
Corey.
devil.
Otherwise I'm not moving here. Seriously, I'm not moving here ever. I'm not moving here. If you don't kill it, I'm not moving here.
Oh, you are something, Marilyn.
If you're not killing it, I will not move here. Kill it.
Come on.
Well, I'm not moving here, seriously.
Where is it? I know. I threw it into the next yard. Probably not. It's not a
Open muna natin ang ating bintana kasi parang nangangamoy ang ating bahay. Nangangamoy ng, excuse me, plant. Parang nangangamoy siya ng, yan, para lalabas yung amoy manok, amoy chicken wings natin. Tapos na ang ating kanin. So, kakain na tayo ng dinner. Woot, woot, woot. Guys, meron akong sasabihin sa inyo. Gusto ko mag-a-ask ng sorry. Kasi nag-live ako. When was that? The other night or last night? Kasi pinapakain ko yung pusa ko the other night. I guess that was it. Siyempre, nakapangbahay lang ako. Pinapakain ko yung pusa ko. Ang arte-arte ng pusa. Tapos, hindi ko makita yung tripod ko. So, sinabit ko lang yung phone ko doon sa item doon sa bahay na sinabit ko lang. Tapos, pag matouch siya, mahulog siya. So, yun. At alam niyo naman sa kabilang bahay, napaka-messy talaga kasi hindi ko na-arrange yung bahay doon sa kabila kasi nagta-transfer na kami ng aming mga gamit dito. So, wala nang beauty yung bahay namin doon. Guys, nagla-live ako, pakain ko sa mga pusa. Tapos yung t-shirt ko pa naman ay naka-V. Hindi ko alam na pagkaganon pala ako na ako. Showing po yung now showing natin. Nahihiya ako pag nung pag-review ko, it's like, oh my gosh, kita yung chest ko. Nahihiya talaga. I'm so sorry, guys. Hindi naman ako ganun tao na magpakita ng kahit ano. Parang na self-conscious ako. Tapos at the same time, hindi naman ako ganun tao, guys. Pero pag sexy ako, hindi. Kahit na pag sexy ako, guys. Kahit na kasing sexy ako ni Aramina or whoever, hindi talaga nagpapakita ng kahit ano, guys. So sorry talaga sa mga nakapanood doon sa live ko the other night. But, I was not too self-conscious about myself. Palagi ko namang ginaganon yung t-shirt ko. Kaya lang minsan, nag-uusap ako, kasi past midnight na ata yun. Sometimes it would take me like 2 hours to feed him because he's really sick around that time. So, yun, patience talaga na pinapakain ko siya. Tapos, ang pida-pida pa niya, kaya ganun lang. Tapos, you would wait another minute, tapos pakain na naman. So, kailangan talaga ng pasensya. So, yun, tapos, katulugon ako ba, inaantok na ako kasi past midnight na. Tapos, yun yung nangyari. So, pasensya na po sa nakapanood sa aking hindi dapat mapanood. But anyway, thank you for understanding. And please know that I'm not that kind of person. Naipakita ko lang yung sarili ko para lang may mag-view sa akin. So anyway, God bless you guys. Bye-bye. Finally, ito na yung last na ng office ni Cory. Linagyanan niya ng drapes. I don't know kung bakit niya linagyan ng drapes. Ako hindi ko lalagyan kasi para makita ko dun sa labas. O, diba? Mas maganda yung makita mo yung view. View sa labas. Yan. Tapos, decorate niya yung namin decoration doon sa bahay namin, luma na dinala niya dito. Yan. Ito yung desk niya. Tapos, it's a small room. But, it's very cozy. Pwede din itong magiging bedroom. Kasi may closet, may bintana. Yun yung qualification para makonsider siya na bedroom dito sa Amerika. So, pag may bisita kami, dito lang sila matutulog and then they can use the restroom. Pero kailangan naming tapusin yung restroom namin doon sa ilalim basement kasi wala silang full restroom dito. Hindi sila pwede makapag-shower. Gusto nila, mag-shower sila doon sa aming bedroom pero napaka-awkward naman. But anyway, yan na, tapos na. Bibili siya ng bagong computer and monitor, CPU. Tapos, magpa-install kami ng internet dito kasi wala kaming connections. Kaya kung nagla-live ako dito, ay nako, wala talaga. Always buffering, tapos ewan ko lang. But anyway, sabi niya, next project daw namin is ang aming deck. Lagyan na namin. Yan Lagyan na namin ng railings dyan para matanggal na itong barrier dito. Tapos, nagkakuha kami kanina ng dumpster diving kami kanina. libre na mga patio chairs and 2 mini tables. So, dito namin yun ilagay. Pero, hindi namin siya malagay kung wala pang railing kasi napakalalim doon. No? Super, super duper lalim. But anyway, ilabas ko muna itong aking plants kasi wala na kaming freeze dito. So, okay na siya ilabas.